Start. Good morning, dear students. How are you? I think you all are fine. I am also fine. You already know our online class routine. So, today I will conduct with you English first paper, class 8, that you have already known from online class routine. Dear students, you know in your English first paper there are a lot of functions, grammatical functions, open-ended question, multiple choice question, etc. Today, I will discuss with you how to complete an incomplete sentence and how to answer the questions. You know, today I will discuss with you about your English first paper. Today's lesson, Unit 1, Lesson 2. At the beginning of my class, you certainly see some keywords. There are some keywords on the whiteboard and there are some vocabs on the whiteboard. I think you all will attentive to my class. So, dear students, look at the whiteboard. Keywords: quilt, katha, artistic, শৈল্পিক, commercially, বাণিজ্যিকভাবে, ট্রেডিশনাল, ঐতিহ্যবাহী, ডিমান্ড, চাহিদা, pattern, ধরন. You all know there are some keywords in your textbook. So, just I will try to write it and its Bangla meaning. Okay. Here are some also vocabs. You know, embroidered, নকশাকৃত, indigenous, নিজস্ব, thread, সুতা, craft, শিল্প, expensive, ব্যয়বহুল. When we read our scene comprehension, you will face this word and I think it will be very fruitful for your understanding and better understanding, I think. So, dear students, here is a picture. I think you all see it. Here is a picture. You know, I just write the keywords here and you all see a picture. Okay. Dear students, section A, look at the picture and the questions. You know, there are 4 questions in your textbook. Then ask and answer the questions with your partner. Dear students, I read the questions. Number 1, what do you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture? Second one, what is it called? What is it called? Number 3, have you seen it before? Where? Number 4, what do we do with it? I think you all understand the meaning of the 4 questions. Dear students, now I will tell you what do you see in the picture. I think you all guess it. But it is a matter of regret that I cannot ask you this question face to face. You know the situation. So, what do you see in the picture? I think you all know the answer of the question, okay? You know, in the picture, you see an embroidered piece of cloth. I think, dear students, what do you see in the picture? In the picture, you see an embroidered piece of cloth. Then, second question, what is it called? What is it called? I think you know, it is called Nokshikatha. It is called Nokshikatha. Here we see a picture and that is called Nokshikatha. Okay. Number 3, have you seen it before? And if you have seen it before, you have to tell where you have seen it. Okay. So, I think you all seen it any other house, your house and friend's house. So, the question of the answer must be, I have seen such a thing at my friend's house, or I have seen it in my house, etc. Then, what do we do with it? What do we do with it? You know, we use it as bed covers, tablecloths, etc. Okay. Dear students, now I see this scene passage. Dear students, now I am reading this scene passage. Okay. Then you have to do some work that is written in section E. Okay. There is you know, there is some incomplete sentences here, and there are some clues here. So you have to fill in the gaps using those words. Okay. At first, I am reading the scene passage. I think you all follow me attentively. Nokshikatha is a kind of embroidered quilt. You already embroidered meaning Nakshakito. You already read it, or you have already seen it. Okay. Nokshikatha is a kind of embroidered quilt. The name was taken from the Bengali word Naksha, which means artistic pattern. You know, here artistic means shilpik. Okay. It is a kind of traditional craft and is said to be indigenous to Bangladesh and West Bangla and India. The art has been practiced in rural Bengal for centuries. The name Nokshikatha became popular after the poet Josimuddin's poem Nokshikathar Mat was published in 1929. Traditional khatas are made for family use. Old or new cloth and thread are used to make these quilts. Maimansingh, Jamalpur, Rajshahi, Faridpur, Bogula and Jashore are most famous for this craft. Now it is produced commercially. You know, commercially means banijik bhabe. You can find them in many expensive handicraft shops in cities. The quilts are now in great demand because of the colorful patterns and designs embroidered on them. Okay. Dear students, now I am writing some words. Okay. Bengali. Patterns. Embroidery. Years, fashion. Art, rural. Designs, quilt. And Naksha. I think you all know about these words. In your scene comprehension, we have already read it. So, I think you have all know the meaning of the word. Now, I am writing some sentences, incomplete sentences. Naksha means artistic. Then the name was taken from the name was taken from a dash word dash, dash word dash. Okay. Number 3, the art has been practiced in dash Bengal for. Number 4, Nakshikatas are now sold in dash shops. Nakshikatas are in great demand. Are in great demand because of their colorful dash and dash, dash and dash. Okay. Number 6, Nakshikatas are a kind of are a kind of. Dash. Dear students, now you have to put right word in this gap. Okay. Number 1. Noksha means artistic. Just you have to write in this way one answer. You have no need to write full sentences. Okay. You have no need to write these full sentences. You have to write just answers. Okay. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this way. Okay. In this way. So number 1, Noksha means artistic. You all know in your scene comprehension, these sentences are already we read. So Noksha means artistic pattern. Pattern. তাহলে আমরা pattern. Pattern. Number 2, the name was taken from a dash word dash. The name was taken from a Bengali word Noksha. তাহলে আমরা এই জায়গায় আমরা যদি এরকম লিখি বেঙ্গলি ওয়ার্ড আর কোনটা নকশা. Okay. Number 3, the art has been practiced in dash Bengal for dash. Here the art has been practiced in rural Bengal for years. তাহলে rural and years. Number 4, Nokshikatas are now sold in dash shops. Where it is sold? Embroidery shops. Embroidery shops. Number 5, Nokshikatas are in a great demand because of their colorful dash and dash. Because of their colorful patterns and design. Number 6, Nokshikatas are a kind of quilt. Katha. যেটার অর্থ হচ্ছে কাঁথা. You have already seen on the whiteboard. Okay. Okay, I think you all already understand clearly how to answer this type of with clues. Okay. Then now I am writing some questions here. Okay. You know, you have to answer the questions by reading this type of scene comprehension. Okay. Such as, what does Noksha mean? What does Noksha mean? Then, where are Nokshikatas sold now? Where are Nokshi Where are Nokshikatas sold now? Dear students, here I have written 2 questions. You have to answer 4 questions in your scene comprehension, and your marks will be 8. For 4 questions, your number will be 8. Here, there are some technique to answer the questions, such as, what does Noksha mean? Here, if you see this does as an auxiliary verb, you have to put s or es with mul verb. Okay. Such a way, Noksha means. Why we write here means, we have to write when we see this type of auxiliary verb does, you have to write s or es with main verb. Okay. Noksha means. Now, Noksha means, here we can find the answers in our scene comprehension. You have no need to memorize it. You have not to no need to cram it. Okay. You have to just understand it. Here we see Bengali Noksha, which means artistic pattern. Which means artistic patterns. The Noksha means artistic pattern. Noksha means artistic pattern. Number B. Where are Nokshikata sold now? Here we have to write at first subject, then auxiliary verb. Nokshikatas here subject. Nokshikatas are sold, then auxiliary verb, then mul verb, are sold. Now, where is it sold? তা কোথায় বিক্রি হয়? Many expensive handicraft shops in cities. তাহলে নকশিকাতাস are sold now many expensive handicraft shops in cities. Okay. Dear students, you know, for our time limitation, I have to finish here. In my next class, I will discuss with you in another lessons or unit. So I think you have already known how to answer the questions and how to complete an incomplete sentence using vocabs. So thank you very much. See you with you again. Thanks a lot.